much? Enough where we can conduct a hearing where you can understand?
See the interview,
You need an interpreter?
because I cannot hear you. I don't have the eardrum.
What?
I don't have an eardrum.
He doesn't have any ears.
I see. So is it more a hearing issue or is it you can't speak English? Which is it?
Or you can dismiss them.
Uh, no, I can't do that. I can't do that. Did they offer you anything? Ooh, your record's bad, huh? Your record's bad. Bad. Why are you driving so fast? I said your record's bad. I don't know what to tell you. They're not going to dismiss it. They're not going to
I don't have both eardrum. Only I hear with the echo.
They offer you anything today?
Don't be called Woody than that.
Yeah. Lieutenant, your name?
Lieutenant David Toller, Whittier Police
Did you
Department.
offer him anything today?
Yes, Your Honor, the problem is that, he was questioning the circumstances of the stop and thought he was racially profiled.
Oh, boy. Okay. All right. Good enough. We'll just set a formal hearing or an informal hearing. We will set an informal hearing.
You hear him, informal hearing?
Or just
the officer, like we spoke about.
Or you tell the story, then you can dismiss them.
I'm not dismissing
Tell
this.
the story.
Come
I
on.
already told you so.
I said you had to have the officer present because I wasn't there, remember?
Yeah, but you can do either way.
We're going to set an informal hearing. We'll set an informal hearing. Informal hearing date, go down the hall, get your notice.
Can judge bring the federal agents for racial discrimination? He can order?
I told you to make a complaint with the police department regarding that.
No, it's not punishment, it's federal.
Listen. I'm going to set an informal hearing date. Your record leaves a lot to be desired.
Can you,
Now, you come back on the date of the hearing.
I know judge, but
I haven't heard anything yet, sir. I can't just start throwing out a case because you say there was racial profiling.
but you can bring the federal agents for racism and the discrimination. A police officer racism and discrimination. I don't want an internal investigation, I want a federal government to jump in.
Well, I don't know what you're asking me. You have the right to make complaints with any,
Racism and the discrimination. So I want a federal government to come in here, hearing day, then federal government, they can charge a police officer.
I'm gonna listen to the evidence.
Person that stop me behind, he come in.
I'm gonna hang on. I'm gonna listen to the evidence. And I'm gonna make a determination as to whether or not you had defective equipment, whether or not you had proof of insurance, and whether or not you committed the offense of improper lane use. That's all I'm doing. If you've got a complaint to make, you can go to whatever agency you want to make your complaint with, but don't ask me just to throw this out. I don't even know anything about the case. So we'll give you a hearing date. What date is that going to be, Heather?
Yeah, but.
That'll be May 26th at 1 o'clock.
May 26th at 1 o'clock. May 26th at 1 p.m.
Well, you're gonna be testified, so federal government here, then they can charge the police. Then he did the
Listen,
racism or discrimination or not.
Listen,
They know, federal
Listen.
government, they know.
listen.
This is a local government, but discrimination and racism is a federal.
I don't know what you're talking about. They wrote you a civil infraction charge. I'm gonna listen to them and I'm gonna listen to you.
He come,
Sir, the officer's not here right now. The officer is not here. When he shows up, I'll listen.
okay, we do that after that, okay.
We're gonna do it May 26th at 1
Okay,
p.m.
we're gonna record the police officer, then we go into the federal.
11.
What is he saying? Hang on, come on back up here. Wait a minute. Come here.
Your Honor, if I may, I believe he was when he was referring there, he's referring that he wants somehow the federal, agencies to be involved in this.
You can make your complaint with whoever you want. I'm not subpoenaing the federal agents.
I cannot hear you.
He says you can make your complaint to whatever agency you wish.
You can make your you can make your complaint with whatever agency you want. I'm gonna listen to this testimony with respect to these 3 civil infractions, and I'm gonna make up my mind as to whether or not you committed those civil infractions.
I know, but the right
Period.
spot.
Period. That's it. And we're gonna do that May 26th at 1 o'clock, okay? That's the best I can tell you. If you wanna make complaints with other agencies, have at it.
Yeah, but
I don't have any.
federal agents, they can see right there in the
Sir.
spot. They can charge you. In the spot, you know, she to believe. Not talking, but just she, then they believe.
Time out. Who you think you are?
Well, you judge it.
I don't know who you think you are.
You judge, you can do everything.
No, I have rules and I comply with the rules. I'm a judge. I can do anything. Are you? May 26th, 1 o'clock. May 26th, 1 o'clock.
1 o'clock, he went out to the.
Louis Lozon.
Thank you, Judge.
I had written this on here because I didn't realize it was.
Okay, okay, thank you.
Sorry.
That's okay.
26W842-403. Your name?
Luis Buzon?
All right, you're gonna plead to impeding traffic, right?
Yes, sir.
All right, responsible or not responsible to that?
Responsible.
All right, I'm gonna accept your plea. 160 is your total. 160.
Do I have to pay that all today?
How much do you have today?
$8,
You pay 80 today. When could you pay the rest?
sometime next week.
I'll make it May the 25th or May the 22nd. How's that? That's a week from Friday. So you pay 80 today, the balance by May 22nd.
Second.
Thank you. Okay, you're all set.
You have a great day, Judge.
You too, thanks. Danielle Anderson. I'm talking loud now because you wanted me to keep my voice to it. Danielle Anderson, 26B150617. How are you?
Great. Have a good day.
Your name?
Danielle Anderson.
All right. Let's see here. So you're going to plead to impeding traffic, true? All right, to that charge, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
All right. You got a clean record, 150 is your total. You're all set, cash your end of the hall to your right.
Thank you.
Have a great day.
Yes, well,
All right, so you're going to plead to impeding traffic, correct? There was an accident, minor damage and no injuries to that charge. Responsible or not responsible?
responsible.
I'm gonna accept your plea. 195 is your total and you are all set. Have a great day. Thank you. All right, to that charge of impeding traffic, responsible or not responsible? Okay, you're all set. 150, cashier into the hall, and the original charge is dismissed. Good luck.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Joy Elizabeth Maldonado, 26T648121. Your name, ma'am? Oh, this was just issued as a warning, right?
Yeah, so,
They shouldn't even have filed this.
and then just to you, I had to pay $160.
Well, we're gonna return it.
That's a good thing, thank you.
Because you went into default is what happened, and that's what the court rules say. When somebody goes into default, you have to pay a bond equivalent to that.
The officer didn't even get me anything written or a ticket. I mean, I just got this thing in the mail that said I had to pay it.
I understand. I'm gonna go ahead and dismiss it. We'll return the bond, okay?
Thank you.
There, you can go down and talk to them. They're not gonna be able to do it today. They're gonna send you a check, okay?
Thank you.
Have a great day. Good. You're gonna plead the impediment, right?
Yep.
Okay, good enough. Responsible or not responsible?
Responsible.
I'll accept the plea. 170 is your total. Cash your end of the hall to your right, okay?
Thank you.
Have a good day. How you doing?
How are you?
Your name?
Bolden.
You're gonna plead the impeding traffic, right?
Correct.
Responsible or not responsible to that? All right, 155, cash your end of the hall to your right, and you're all set. Good luck. Have a good day. Philip Allison, come on up to the podium, 26B150081.
Good morning, Your Honor.
Good morning. These operating while texting are not good. You're gonna plead the impeding?
Yes, sir.
Why are you doing that? I see people going over the road, right?
I was not. But listen, I was.
If we're doing this, you should fight the tickets. Because I'm gonna still assess you $200. These are not my favorite tickets. If you want to set an informal hearing, I'll be glad to do that.
I still had the phone in my hand. I was not.
It's up to you, whatever you want to do. I'm not trying to give you a hard time. I'm just telling you, that's what's gonna happen. If you want to plead to impeding, I'll be glad to take it.
I will do the impedance.
To the charge of impeding traffic, responsible or not responsible?
Responsible, sir.
Okay, I'm gonna accept your plea. I wish you well. $200. You didn't come here all the way from Charleroi, did you?
I've been down there for, medical procedures and surgery, so, and, I'm staying with my daughter that,
Okay.
I don't have,
How much do you have today?
I need 50.
When can you pay the rest?
I'm within a month, within
Are you,
40
do
days.
you work now or?
I'm doing now my normal work. I'm an operating engineer, 25 years in my union last November, but I've been doing stupid stuff like door dashing, trying to be.
All right, listen, we'll move it
So I
to
get to work.
75, 50 now, 75 each week, beginning on May the 29th. How's that?
That's good. I may be able to pay it all. I didn't.
Okay, you're all set. Have a
Thank
great
you,
day.
sir.